Meet Tenantcube, an online property management platform that was born when a frustrated landlord threw up his hands and said there has to be a better way to manage my rental properties, and built it himself. People invest in real estate to make money. Instead, landlords are stressed about finding good tenants, stressed about rent collection and keeping track of expenses, and annoyed by maintenance calls that always seem to happen at the worst possible time. They spend all their time chasing people, payments, and problems. Today, Tenantcube helps busy landlords manage their rental properties themselves by streamlining and simplifying their most time-consuming property rental tasks. Application tracking and tenant screening, tenant credit and background checks, digital rental agreements, auto rent collection and accounting, property repair and maintenance request handling. Everything for $1 a unit. You heard right. Just $1 per rental unit. No more paying an arm and a leg to property managers. Ready to see how Tenantcube can simplify your life as a landlord? Sign up today for a free 30-day trial at www.tenantcube.com.